This is Study Pro, where you earn money answering questions. You can see earn money answering homework questions. Earn up to 7,500 USD monthly working from home, tutoring students. On this platform, students from all over the world come to this place to ask questions in different subjects and different fields. All you need to do is to answer those questions as regard each of the students that is attached to you. This platform is great because of their lowest service fee, reliable income, and full of freedom and flexibility, such that you can take this job and do it as agreed with the person you are tutoring. This platform is full of freedom and flexibility, such that you can choose when to work. That is, you'll be able to choose the hours you want to work. The implication is that you can combine this with your day jobs. These are questions with different price attached to each one of them. Anyone that picked to answer this question will get paid this amount of money in dollars. You can see that these questions cover different fields. This is about stock, this is about set problem, which is mathematics, and this one is about advanced microcomputer applications, that is about coding. You can see these are top earners on this platform. Individual that has been paid this total amount of money. Popular tutor countries. Look at these are different countries that these are popular tutor countries. That is, these are countries where they have a lot of tutors from. You can see Nigeria is here, South Africa is here, Zambia is here, Canada is here, Malaysia is here, and these are top tutor subjects: accounting, chemistry, law, program, statistics, writing, psychology, mathematics, healthcare. So we have different topics and different fields of studies that is covered in this place. Irrespective of your area of specialization, you have an opportunity to make money here. Look at different subjects of studies here: Python, management, biology, calculus, chemistry, physics, computer science. You can earn money answering homework questions. Look at this, now accepting tutors from all over the world, including Nigeria, Ghana, South Africa, Kenya. And the good news about this website is that you'll be paid via Payoneer directly to any bank account in Nigeria and the country where you are watching me from now. For you to sign up to Payoneer, if you use my link, Payoneer will give you a gift of $25 for using my link to sign up. Kindly read the requirements that will make them pay you before you sign up. So how it works is this: students all over the world will come to this place to drop questions. Then as a tutor, you connect with your students and you explain the problem, you solve the question by giving proper explanation via messenger as provided by this platform. Then you get paid when your student is satisfied that you've answered the question appropriately. So this is how you make money answering questions on Study Pro. You can be earning over 7,500 USD every month. Thank you. So kindly use the link below the description of this video to get started. Thanks.